Hi from the Speech Solution. This is a really fun game that your students will want to play over and over again. It's called Go Ladybug Go, and it is a hybrid game and activity for green screen and in person. So let me show you. These are all of the backgrounds that you get for your green screen. There's 11 different backgrounds and they work on all of these different concepts and skills. And of course, we give you the printables. And so we've got large ladybugs and small ladybugs that work with all of the backgrounds and also some following direction cards. And all of the printables that you need for a perfect, fun, in-person therapy session also. And the best part is that we give you 4 different therapy cards. So if you have not checked out our therapy cards yet, you've got to go check them out. They are fantastic and we do all the work for you. So you just have to pick up a card and get to work and have a great time with your students. All right, so if you are interested in this activity, go to thespeechsolution.com, go to our shopping cart and look for Go Ladybug Go. And let me show you what you get. So this is a fun game and we have these large ladybugs that you're gonna put on the game board. And so you can put them on, they can start on start. And we have yellow and blue and red. And so the child will or student will say one of their articulation sentences using our cards, or they can build a sentence using the sample little phrases that we give for early language skills, or they can do one of the language concept activities before they spin and move their ladybug around the board. So you can have the parent use a spinner that they have at home, or you can share your screen with this. There's a really great wheel of names spinner that you can use and you can adapt it. We put the colors here on the game board and it goes around and it spins. It's pretty fun. And so you can share this or you can just use it like that in person. And if you don't have a spinner, you can just use colored cards also. So use this background for articulation, early language skills, and also we give you some following direction cards where you can use them with this game board, or they can use the ladybugs and just use 1 to 3 actions that we put on the cards. Okay, this background is for spatial concepts. So it's a really fun little flower garden. There's all kinds of places where you can have ladybugs fly and land in different places. The kids can tell you where to put them or you put them here and work on spatial cards. And if you use our language card, we give you all kinds of great suggestions on what to do with spatial concepts with this background. All right, this one is for our body parts. So we would have the ladybugs flying around in the sky and we would tell the kids, hey, these ladybugs are gonna fly around and they're gonna land on the babies and on their pets. So let's see, where are they gonna land? And so the kids can either tell you where to put the ladybugs, different body parts, or you can have the ladybugs land on a certain child or certain pet in a certain place and they tell you where the ladybugs landed. So that's our background for body parts. And this one is our background for pronouns. And so you can hold up a ladybug and you're gonna say, hey, all of these people, they wanna catch ladybugs. So who is going to catch the blue ladybug? And then they can tell you he's going to catch the blue ladybug or she's going to catch the blue ladybug. And then you can put that right in their net, right like that. Or you can say, who should I give this yellow ladybug to? They might say, hey, you know what? Give that one to him. And so we would put it in his net right here. Or you can take the ladybugs out and say, you know, Whose ladybug is this? It's his, or this is hers. So that's our background for pronouns. And then this background is used for questions. And we give you lots of questions on our language card that you can use to build a ladybug, or you can use your own questions for the kids. But each time they answer a question, they're going to get a part for their ladybug. And so they keep answering questions and working on question concepts until they get their whole ladybug built. All right, so go check out Go Ladybug Go at thespeechsolution.com and follow us on Facebook and on Instagram, and let's watch a child's speech take flight.